Hey everyone, I'm your Stream MacGyver, back with another episode to help you level up your content and brand. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest questions every streamer has. What's the best streaming setup for you based on your budget? But before we get started, be sure to subscribe now to master your stream and conquer new gaming worlds. Whether you're here for top tier streaming tutorials, practical game tips, or epic playthroughs, I've got you covered. Join me as we level up both our content creation and gaming skills. Don't miss out. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to go pro, stick around because I'm going to break down setups for every budget from beginner to intermediate to full-on professional. And by the way, I'm going to throw in a few bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Let's just say that these are some of the secrets that the pros use to maximize their setups. Now let's get to it. Let's start with the beginner setup. Perfect for those of you just starting out or streaming as a hobby. A solid USB microphone is a must, even if you're on a tight budget. Options like the Blue Snowball or Fifine K669 offer great audio quality without breaking the bank. Trust me, viewers will forgive slightly lower video quality, but bad audio, that'll make them click off faster than a rage quit in Dark Souls. And if you're looking to make that mic sound even better, OBS filters are your new best friend. Add noise suppression, gain, and compression to clean up your sound. I'll show you how to in just a second. Open up OBS, right-click on your mic source, then select filters. Here you will find all the audio filters I mentioned. Mess around with the noise suppression, compression, and gain to your liking. And let's not forget the video. For a beginner setup, a webcam like the Logitech C920 or Razer Kiyo is ideal. These are easy to set up, and the Razer Kiyo even has built-in lighting, which can be a game changer in low light situations. Speaking of lighting, even a simple ring light can make a huge difference in your stream's quality. My first setup didn't have studio lighting or LED panel lights. Believe it or not, it was two 8.5-inch aluminum clamp lights that were under $10 that I got at Walmart alongside some daylight bulbs, and they were pointed at the wall. No need to go crazy on expensive gear just yet. Remember, you want to focus on content and engagement first, and then expand as you grow. Next, let's talk about that intermediate setup, which is for those of you who are ready to step things up and invest in their stream a little more. For audio, I recommend upgrading to an XLR microphone like the Audio-Technica AT2020. Pair it with an audio interface like the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, and the difference in audio quality will be night and day. This setup gives you more control over your sound, especially if you're planning to do podcasts or even voiceovers. And here's a freebie to take your audio control to the next level. Use Voicemeeter Banana. The software is free, and it allows you to manage your game sound, microphone level, and even Discord audio separately. It may take a bit of time to get used to, but once you do, it's a major game changer. For video, this is where a mirrorless camera like the Sony a5100 shines. Paired with an Elgato Cam Link, you'll get that sharp professional look that really sets your stream apart. No more grainy footage, even in low light. At this point, you should definitely think about upgrading your lighting as well. Something like the Elgato key light will give you full control over brightness and color temperature, ensuring you look your best. And if you're looking for a competitor, Neewer also has some top quality panel lights, and they even have Stream Deck compatibility. To make them another great selling point, they're also cheaper than the Elgato key lights currently. All right, here we are. If you're serious about streaming or are ready to go full time, here is what a pro level setup looks like. For audio, the Shure SM7B is the industry standard for a reason. It's used by top creators all over the industry, and when paired with the Go XLR or Rodecaster Pro, you get precise control over your voice and audio effects. For the pros, it's all about the camera. So my recommendations are to upgrade the body of your camera or start investing in the lenses. Or if you're feeling a little saucy, obviously go for both. The Sony a7 III or Canon EOS R is perfect for getting that next level cinematic stream. These cameras excel in low light, have great autofocus, and make your stream look like $1,000,000. Do you want that nice bokeh effect? Then I highly recommend checking out the Sigma 16mm lens, as this is the lens I currently use on my Sony a5100. And to tie it all together, you'll need a proper lighting setup. Softbox lights or multiple Elgato key lights can give you studio quality lighting, which will make your video stand out even more. And of course, you'll want a multi-monitor setup, one for gameplay, one for your chat, and another for OBS control. This keeps everything organized and ensures you never miss a beat when interacting with your community. Before we wrap things up, let's dive into some bonus tips. First up is cable management. It may not be the most exciting part, but trust me, it's key to a clean, professional looking setup. Use Velcro straps or under-desk mounts to keep those cables out of sight, and it helps prevent trip and fire hazards in your home. Finally, a stream deck is a streamer's best friend. It allows you to trigger scene transitions, play sound effects, and even control your lighting with the press of a button. Top creators swear by it, and for good reason. If you can't afford one, then at least get the Stream Deck app for Android or iOS. It's free and comes with 6 buttons for free to get you kickstarted in implementing it into your stream setup. Whether you're just starting out or ready to go pro, there's a setup here for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And if you want to see any of these setups in action, join me live on Twitch every week. We can chat gear, answer questions, and hang out. I hope to see you there. Later.